Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the lesson in geography, India location, relief, and drainage. Today's class we are going to see about the India as a subcontinent, about the location, and about the land and water frontiers. First of all, you must know that India is the seventh largest country in the world and the second largest country in Asia. Here we can see how the India stays larger than several countries of the world. How it's separated, how the South Asia separated Himalayas and rest of the continent. If next one, you are going to see about the India's land and water frontiers. First of all, India share nearly 15,200 kilometer long land frontier with Pakistan in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. India's longest border in Bangladesh is with Bangladesh, while the shortest border is with Afghanistan. And India and Sri Lanka separated by the narrow and shallow sea called Palk Strait. Next come India as a subcontinent. India as the subcontinent. What is a subcontinent? India's along with the countries of Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka are called as subcontinent. Here in this region, we also have a distinct continental characteristics in a physiography, climate, natural vegetation, mineral, human resources. So India is known as subcontinent. You can see the map of the India as a subcontinent. Here you can see the map how they are divided, how the continents are divided like Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, and North America. You can see these map. This is India as how the India is divided into a subcontinent. How it is divided into a subcontinent. Next, we are going to see about the location and the extent. Here the southernmost point of the country is is called as Indra Point, which is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. And here we can see how they are divided, how the India has been politically divided. They are divided into 29 states and 7 union territories, and they have divided for administrative convenience. The southernmost point of the mainland of India is called as Cape Cape Copmorin, which is that is known as Kanyakumari, which is a place in Kanyakumari. And here, yeah, northern north south extent of India is nearly 3,214 kilometers, extends from Indra Kol in Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari in the south. And nearly I had already told you that they are divided into 29 states and 7 union territories for the administrative convenience. Next come Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time. Here we can see how the longitudinal difference of Gujarat in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Nearly the east earth rotates from the axis nearly 360 degree in 24 hours. Here we can find how the India central meridian is nearly 82 degree 30 degree east longitude. The IST is nearly 5.30 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time otherwise known as GMT. So thank you, students. I stop the class till here. We can continue the class. The next section about the division of the India. How the India is divided. How India is divided. Here you can see the Indian extent and standard meridian. How they are divided. How the Indian's central meridian is a longitude. How it passes through the other countries. You can see this in this picture. So next class you are going to see about the major physiography division of India. How the physiographical division, how they are divided into parts, different parts. We are going to see that in next class. Thank you, students.